Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. When you set out to write a story, you have to decide who is telling the story. The point of view, or POV, can be identified by the pronouns that are used. Here are the 4 main types of POV. Number 1, first person. The story is being narrated by one of the characters, usually the protagonist. The pronouns you see are I, me, myself. Number 2, second person. The story is being told to and about you, the reader. This is a very uncommon POV for fiction, but we see it a lot in non-fiction pieces like blog posts and how-to articles. Number 3, third person limited. The story is being told about a character and it is narrated by someone outside of the story. The narrator only has access to the experiences and thoughts of that one character. The pronouns are things like he, she, him, her. And finally, third person omniscient. Again, the story is being narrated by someone on the outside, but this time the narrator has unlimited access to the thoughts and experiences of every character. So we see the he and she pronouns, and the action might jump frequently from one character to another. There are no hard and fast rules about which POV is best, but here are 2 basic guidelines. Number 1, establish your POV early on, preferably in the first paragraph, and definitely by the end of the second paragraph. And 2, once you've established a POV, stick with it. Sometimes authors try to write their story using a different POV for different characters. Some do it very effectively, for others the result is disjointed. Generally, it's best to just pick a POV and run with it. In future videos, we'll talk about each POV individually, along with their merits, drawbacks, and best uses. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.